Equal to that frozen kebab. We've got another one from Hot Ones. Let's just check this out. I don't think people got that I was being sarcastic in the original one, saying it was amazing. Okay. If it's anything like the burgers, it will actually taste half decent. Okay. How do we cook it? Microwave it for... yeah. Right, 3 minutes. Back in a second. Yeah, let's try a bit of doner meat. Tastes like reheated shit doner meat. Surprisingly. Let's just try a bit of pita bread. I'm not taking a full bite of this thing. I don't want to make myself feel ill. We'll put a bit of meat in a bit of pita bread. Make our own little doner kebab. There you go, my mini doner kebab. Yeah. I just taste really shit reheated doner kebab meat. I don't recommend that. There you go, I'm going to do an honest review and not be sarcastic and say it's great like last time when people took it out of context. That is not a doner kebab. That is a tragedy on a plate. Let's try a bit of the actual pita bread by itself. Even the pita bread shit. It's awful. Do not buy a frozen microwavable doner kebab. I know it's cheaper. Just go to the shop and buy one if you want a doner kebab. It'll taste 50 times better. Now, as always, if you have enjoyed this, please give this video a like. Please support me on Patreon. Link in the description below. Subscribe to see more content, and I'll catch you later. Bye.